I'm sorry, Cherry. Please, I promise, I'll do better. Sino yun? Boyfriend na Ate Cherry yun? No, that's a groupmate research. Ano? Here's the same. Meron pa iyak kay Ate Cherry. I do not know how she does it, pero sinusugot si Ate Cherry. Sabi niya, dumb daw si ate. Dumb is dumb. Dumb? Dumb? Dumb. Dumb. Stop na. Stop. Please, stop. Ano groupmate natin sa research? Oo. Ano ka na ba? Buksanin. Asa yung pangalan ko? Diyan wala Ito pangalan to. CAA. Asado. Ay, Aneta. May idea ko yung ka-dog food. 24 cats, 24 dogs. Hindi ko alam nangyari pa kasi paralalala pa yung ganyan. Minsan, isa't ako. Wait, dalawa tayo, di ba? Are you breaking up with me? Hindi ko alam na yan. Wait, saan ka pumatay? Hi, cutie family. Cherry's home. Patawanin mo ka, please. Patawanin kita. Okay. Oh, hi, cutie family. Oh, bago pusa yan? Oo nga, Cherry. Teka, dadalahin ko siya. Pangalan niya si Cookie yan. Ang cute niya. Thank you. Ang the spirit thing.